Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel once again. As you can see, today's video we have a TM1 laptop, and on our taskbar we don't have our battery displayed here. If you have checked on the taskbar, the battery is not displayed. Now, to make the battery display on your taskbar, just right click on the start button and click on device manager. Once you click on device manager and it opens, go to your batteries. As we have our battery there, just right click on the batteries and select scan for hardware changes. Now once you click on that, it is going to scan for any new devices available. And now, as we updated the drivers, the battery controller is now available. And if you check on our taskbar, we can see our battery has displayed there. Now the next option is if this battery controller is displayed here, you can just right click on it and click on disabled. When you disable, click on yes, and you can see the battery logo has dismissed again. It's no more available. Just right click on it once again and click on enable device, and as you can see, the battery has displayed. So in your case, if it is not displayed, you can make it this way to display on your taskbar. So that is it, guys. Now you can see that we have our battery logo on our taskbar. So if this video was helpful, kindly subscribe and don't forget to like the video. See you on our next video. Peace out.